Have you noticed that today's Internet of Things is bonkers?
Turn on.
That's because the idea of the Internet of Things is based on 100-year-old technology, the remote control. And with your personal information going into the cloud, it's certainly not secure. That's why we at Silk Labs developed Sense, the first product using our Silk platform. Sense is a beautifully designed, intelligent addition to our modern lives. It's the eyes, ears, and brains of your home and is powerful enough to run apps just like your smartphone. Sense runs apps locally, not in the cloud, so your private moments with your family are safe and secure. And we use hardware-based encryption to ensure that only your device can see them from anywhere in the world. Sense is unlike any hub or camera you've ever seen or experienced before. It's intelligent, predictive, and can understand, respond to, and adapt to our daily human needs. No more remote control. No more pointless notifications. Just action and reaction when you need it without lifting a finger. How does it work? Silk is a powerful platform for connected devices everywhere. Soon, you'll be able to run powerful Silk apps on a wide range of devices that work together because they will all be speaking the same language. Silk's programming framework was developed by the team behind Mozilla's Firefox OS, one of the few teams to have built a mobile operating system from scratch. Silk apps run directly on Silk-enabled products, with simple APIs for computer vision, advanced hearing, deep learning, and user presence. You can easily create apps to make your life easier. If you can write JavaScript, you can write a Silk app. Soon we'll host an entire world of applications and extra abilities for Silk. We're excited to see what you come up with. Together, we can make the devices around us more human. Together, we can go from smart to intelligent. And together, we take full advantage of all the connected technology around us. That's what Silk and Sense are all about.
Hi, I'm Andreas, CEO of Silk Labs. Please join us in our mission to build the ultimate secure operating system for the Internet of Things by supporting our first product, Sense. Together, we'll bring intelligence to the devices around us so they can act a bit more intuitive, a bit more magically, a bit more human. We can't wait to explore the possibilities with you. Thank you.
About 6 months ago, we decided to make the M3D Pro based on getting feedback from our existing users. So we've already gone through 3 iterations of design prototypes and we're almost completely done the engineering. 3 months ago, we proved a lot of the important concepts like making a heated bed that uses less power, proving that it can move a lot faster, proving the benefits of higher quality and higher precision metal parts. And right now we're going through the final phases of proving the feedback system and finishing the next steps in programming.
First time I ever heard about 3D printing was one of my friends printed a Ninja Warrior training hold, and I thought it was really cool.
The unique thing that you're getting with M3D Pro that we have not yet seen in this industry is that ability for the printer to sense many different things within itself. It has the ability to sense position, it has the ability to sense speed, it has the ability to sense temperature in 5 different places. And if there's a problem, it can be self-diagnosed and in almost all cases can be self-corrected. Ultimately, that gives you more time in the creative process.
With 3D printing, I have right on my desk, or my granddaughters have right on their desk. If they get an idea, they can try to make that idea on a 3D printer right there. They can turn their ideas into reality. This I didn't have when I was a kid.
Really, the greatest advancement that 3D printing could accomplish at any point in the future is ease of use, making it so that anybody can just go from an idea to creating that idea within an afternoon.
We've introduced this new thing that we call tutorial mode. So what we got from our feedback from original backers was that they wanted more detailed guides so they can grow into becoming an expert user rather than having to start as an expert user.
The thing I think that needs to happen for educators is speed is an issue, how fast we can turn around.
So with M3D Pro, you have the ability to print a single prototype with extreme accuracy and high quality, but you also have the ability to take that prototype and print it in quantity, cover the entire print bed with multiples of your model and produce it at volume.
I am so excited for the future, not only for me, but for my daughter, to grow up being able to use her mind to create anything she wants to, thanks to a 3D printer.
I've been fascinated with just the whole idea of 3D printing for quite a while now, focusing on just simple things that I could print for around the house, or toys that I could print to play with my kids. Really just the idea that I could create something myself.
What's unique about the Kickstarter community is they value innovation. And what M3D is doing, I think many people are going to see as extremely innovative, and they're going to want to be first to support it and to help nurture where this technology is going to go. They just also happen to get a printer as one of their rewards very early and at a deep discount.
Hi, I'm Faye. I'm a guitarist, sound engineer, and the founder of Vidz.Station. Having worked in the music industry for over 15 years, I'm very picky about sound. I've used so much production equipment, hundreds of sound tools, and loads of music players. But after all these years, they're still the same, still too complicated to operate and still too expensive. So we thought, someone's got to change this. Why not us? And that's why we set about building the Vidz.Station, a stunning-looking device with top-quality sound and a comprehensive set of connections. Using Android operating system, we give the Vidz.Station soul. You don't need to study complicated instructions anymore. The touchscreen interface gives you instant access to and full control of different apps and hardware for professional recording, hi-fi play, and 4K video. There's so much that Vidz.Station can do for you, so much to explore. We have the industry's best designers in our team, and the highest quality manufacturers on board to implement our groundbreaking designs. We started Vidz.Station in 2014 and have gone through dozens of iterations before arriving at a very better design solution. And now we are ready for mass production, but we need your support. If you like Vidz.Station, please give us your support on Indiegogo and share our appeal with your friends on social media. Join us today and help forge a whole new era of sound. Thank you.